So we're going to be customizing our little charts. So you might want to highlight them if they are not, because we need to get into the Sparkline Tools design ribbon to make these adjustments. And then what we want to do is click on the style group here. And they would like us to choose the dark red. It's the first option, and actually they want colors instead of styles. So we'll switch over to colors and choose dark red. The next little adjustment they would like us to make is over here in the show group. And they would like the high point marked. And they also want markers turned on. So once we turn on high point, you'll notice there's a little marker next to the high point in each graph. And then we turn on markers, okay, and you get the marker at each end and one in the middle, plus you have the one at the high point. Now we're going to adjust the marker color. You'll notice once you have markers, you can change the color. And we're going to change the color for the high point. And they want us to choose black. Okay, that'll just make that high point stand out a little bit better. And then to see the spark lines a little better, we are going to widen up our column. They would like us to change this to 22. So if you're pretty good with the drag method, great. Okay, and that actually gives you a little better indicator of the trend line. Next little adjustment they want us to make, with F6 through F14 selected, we want us to go into the home ribbon and apply a fill color to this. So we've got our fill list arrow, and they want blue accent 1, lighter 80%. And that would be this one. So let's go ahead and apply that color. And then we can kind of click away so you can see it. And up in F5, they would like a little heading of January to March trends. And once you press enter, it should format similar to your other headings, but I'm noticing I do not have the border below. So I'm basically going to click on total, format paint that, and then click on the January to March trends. And then let me click away. So now it's formatted the exact same. And I am going to change my orientation to landscape, ensuring that this is all going to print on one page. There is no need to print it. All we have to do at this point is save it and close it.